Hey, hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. You see I download a new screen recorder because the old one always, okay, let's just go play a game. Wow, just impress. Why are you always updating to make your game more popular? Wow, cool. But I don't play Just Impress. Let's play this. Oh, I forgot. He can't talk. For me, he can't talk. Yeah, I always play in obbies. So let's play a game with no obbies. Yeah, let's just play one obby and then done. Only one obby. Only one. Okay, let's go. We don't want a new subscriber, so subscribe now. If you want to, you don't have to subscribe. He's the only one. I'm only doing this. Yeah, I played this last time. This was like so cute. Sorry for the bad Wi-Fi. Ooh, girl, I love your avatar. My friend is a gacha YouTuber and I'm a Roblox YouTuber. I mean, TikToker. It's on 15%. But I don't know where's the charger. Oh, I always falling in this one. Oh, yes, I get it. Ah! Almost fall. So why that's so hard? Yeah. If I fall, oh, probably she's my fan. Me so, or probably she watch my videos. Let's just play one obby. It's like so cute. Aww. You don't need to like nor subscribe. I don't want that much likes nor subscribe. Okay, Oh, yeah. Did it! Never mind, let's just go play on my phone. So I keep on falling. No obbies! Yeah, roleplay game. Have only ever played Jesus game before? I played Jesus game. Sorry for not posting. Funk Tower? At the time when I was offline. Oh. All of them is towers. Yeah, I found one which is not tower. Tower. Oh, not tower. Let's play this. Steal ice cream from kids. Let's see if this is fun. Let's just play it. Let's see if it's that fun. So I don't know if it's popular. Day 1. I have 100. Hello, welcome to Steal the Kid Ice Cream. Silly game. I know. Anyways, would you like a journal? Sure. Why won't have a journal? What is going on? Okay, can I walk like... Can I walk? Sure. Okay. Began to spawn the area where the game is taking place. Okay. Oh my god. Okay. 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 I'm gonna add to the kid and steal their ice cream. Ugh. I don't know because they keep on putting things and I cannot really see. I want to steal. Okay. Okay. Why is it so? Okay, I cannot really play it. Keep on giving me rules and I cannot play it. So I'm just gonna play in next game. Bro, all because I'm not playing that. Really, we didn't have a chance to play none of the games. Ugh. Let's just play Poison Candy. Hard right one. I'm just gonna play Poison Candy. Yeah, the first game was trash. Let's play easy mode. So I don't really know. I know. Sorry guys, not me. I'm doing these things. Yeah. Let's just play because it's a bit glitchy. It's a bit glitchy. So let's just play with mini foot. Oh! The simple one. Please make me safe, guys. Huh? Why lose? Oh. Really no one to play? They're just playing. Lucky. Okay, how does this turn the chair? Okay, let's just wait on the next player. A boy? Why you? You ugly. Me. It's really good. Tell me what's going on! Sorry, I can't. Just stop. That's the please. I have no good things to play. It's always going so bad at the end. Hurry up, Roblox. See, this is why it does play towers, because all the games is like too hard. Adopt Me, I don't play Adopt Me. Wait, let's see if Adopt Me you can like text, because I cannot text in none of the games. So that's unfair. You know, Roblox isn't safe like this game, but yeah, last time I almost got Robux until I deleted it. Last time I thought that was fake. Bro, how I get Robux? When I was like 7. Bro, how I get Robux? I'm so jealous, but now I can't get no Robux. Oh, my avatar, look. Maybe princess, because I love princesses and unicorns. When I was 7. They were like my favorites. But now I think unicorns is ugly. Okay, there is a unicorn. If it have an ugly unicorn, and someone to trade it to me, do you know you could change your avatar? Okay, I cannot leave. I don't know what's going on. And I can't leave. Could text? Oh my god, finally. Oh, I can't text in none of the games. You gotta be kidding me. It's wicked. I really want to talk to my friend. This is the why. Loading server and it's taking forever. So I will leave. No good games. This is what I really. Do you already get a game before? I feel the color is pink. That's kind of creepy. So let's just play it. And I hope it's not even going to be that much here. Because it's just going to put a plain. I'm turning 12. This is treasure. You better hurry up because if it shut down, the video shut down. Okay, wasting my time. What? I cannot find myself. I'm just. What's going on? I can't see nothing. Oh well, oh my god. I just gonna play Obby. Oh my god, games. It's so boring. Oh, let's play this. What's up in pizza? If this takes forever like the old one, I am going to think. Never mind. I'm not gonna play this. Okay. That's all, guys. Sorry for now playing no games because it's too low.